everyone, I'm going to show you how to install the Newborn Nerds Elements presets. First, you want to find where the folder saved in your downloads folder. And typically we don't actually want to unzip the preset file when installing your presets, but in this case it actually contains 2 additional zip folders inside with 2 different versions of the Elements presets. You can choose whether you want to install the default one or the Sony version. You can install both if you want to see which one you like better. Today we're just going to install this default Newborn Nerds Elements zip file. So we want to go to Lightroom and go to your Develop tab up here. And on the left we have this presets dialog, and right now everything that's in here is just the default presets that Lightroom comes with. You can delete those. I will probably delete those. I'm just kind of setting up a new computer here, so that's why those are all still in there. Let's go over to this plus sign here to add new presets. Click Import Presets right there, and then find your zip file that you want to install. Click Import, and then all of your Newborn Nerds Elements presets should show up right here.